This 2011 Carriage Cameo 36FWS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Sandy, Oregon, 97055 and is offered for sale by Johnson RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used carriage is 37 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, slide-out, and 84 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, rear living area. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.